Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status, full.
Oh, you are joking. You see that? So as you can see, I've got my old end can on it from my old bike. It's got a water leak there. It's not really a water leak, it's just condensate. The old number plate with a UK thing on it. And that's about E. I don't know if I'll put that in. Alright, let's hit this up. I'm not bringing the drone today because it's proper windy and the drone will just piss off somewhere. I've let a tiny bit of air out my tyres, but I'm not sure what I've let it to because Mark's got his DeWalt thing with him on the track day. I think that tyre pressure might be a bit high. What is it, 3,141.4 psi? Yeah. Oh no, it's 41 in it. That's a dash. Yeah, it's 41. That's not bad. Anyway, welcome back to this shitty video. Today we are going to Marazion bike meet. It's the first one of the year. It might be quite busy because it's quite sunny today. I don't know whether you can see, but it's still very windy. And today's special guest is Bella Biker Cornwall. That's a full name. Yeah, Matt was going to come, but he bottled it because of the wind. It's only a bit of wind in us. Oh, that's all right. Just force your way out. Is that house for sale there? Yeah, it's for sale. Can I just say as well, it's the problem with the neutral has not happened since that first day of picking it up outside BMW. It's as easy as you like to get it into neutral now. I'll show you. No, I won't. Or I might. Shouldn't really do it while you're going anyway. But yeah, when you've stopped it's piss easy to get it into neutral. Here's Domino's. Right? Oh shit, it is pretty windy, boy. Feeling that wind. That van just indicated over there to the left, yeah? Watch this. Any money is in the wrong lane. Watch. Let's see. Yeah, he is! Told you he's in the wrong lane. Go on. Go on. Oh, I knew it. Oh shit, I'm going to McDonald's, not round there. I'm unsure of this roundabout after me slide. That's just wasted 30 seconds. Come on, out of the way. Shit, that wind, boy! It's lucky Mark's not here. He definitely would have blew off the bike then. Hannah, can you hear me? Oh, I've probably got it on the wrong channel, haven't I? Oh, she's not even there. She's there. Can you hear me now? Obviously you can't hear me, can you? Is this your intro? Slow motion. See, straight into neutral, no problem. Yeah, I'll sort it. Is it even on? What's that? What's new? Your profile just got an upgrade. No thanks. Right, I'm on now.
Hey!
Yay! Hi Hannah!
Hey! So this is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's okay.
But you do need matching accessories now. You look a bit...
Yeah, but the helmet now matches, doesn't it? So you can't complain about that.
No, I'm glad the helmet is matching.
I thought that was the sun. It's a bloody scratch on the screen, isn't it? Or is it? No, it's a reflection of the sun, all those lines.
Oh yeah. No, I think it's just where you've washed something, wiped it. Oh crap.
No, you've greased it up with your greasy finger.
No, it'll come right off.
When we look at that, I've just cut myself again. Just reopened a cut from grafting the other day. When we go here, I don't want to go into the main car park.
Why?
Because it'll look like I'm like going, oh look at me and my new bike.
Alright, I'll ride that in then. You ride that.
I don't want to do that.
Alright, we'll just stay up the top bit then and then have a wander around.
Yeah, if you want, yeah.
Have a coffee.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
So I'll stay in the first car park rather than go all the way around. Because I don't want everyone going, look at this knob on his new bike. Which I'd do that if someone came on a brand new bike. Go look at that knob on his new bike.
I am looking forward to a go on that one, boy.
Hiya. Oh, you've still got that sticker on as well. Hey, do you know what I've got especially for you as well? Well, especially for anyone.
What? New merch?
The new sticker. You can put it on the bike.
Alright. I'm just going to be covered in stickers of you.
Wait, why have you got those reflector stickers next to your light? Is that for an MOT or something?
I don't know. They've always been there.
No, they haven't.
Yes, they have.
Hey, on either side of your light, there's those reflector stickers.
Yeah.
Nah, they're new.
They're not, because I made sure I had them for France as well, but they were already on there.
I reckon even though it's windy, it's going to be quite busy tonight there.
Oh yeah, because it's definitely dry, everyone will be like, okay, might as well. Still got my winter jacket and my heated gloves on though. Heated gloves, heated grip.
It's not that warm, is it?
See, that's the bit I hate about the first few, like, Marazion meets, is on the way home it is, like, Baltic.
Yeah.
To save you from moaning and shouting at me and having a go at me, I thought I'll just show my face.
Well, I wasn't bothered if you came out or not, but it's just your super fans that have been asking about you.
You weren't bothered. Oh my gosh, everybody, he rang me and he started crying because Mark's at Brands Hatch and he's got no friends to play with.
Hold on.
So, once again, Sarah saved the day.
Wait, I'll leave that in. I'll leave it in because everybody knows that's not the truth.
Oh, why? Did you ring other people?
Actually, Matt bailed on me.
Ah, yeah.
Because it's too windy, he said.
Oh, Matt, come on. If I'm out.
This isn't the first time you've been out this year, is it?
No, I've been out a couple of little times. Stretched the bike. For obvious reasons. I haven't really had much enthusiasm.
Yeah.
But summer's here, so if it's sunny, then I'll feel more inclined to go out.
Good, Hannah. You
Yeah.
need to be out. Are they Alpinestars jeans?
Yeah,
They're new, aren't they?
yeah,
With the Alpinestars on the pocket.
yeah.
They're trendy.
You know we're a little bit brand snobbish, aren't we?
Did you get them for Christmas?
No. I bought them my own self, because, strong, independent woman.
Oh, yeah.
I might buy you a blue belt for your fanny pack.
Oh, do you reckon you can get blue belts for them?
Can. Mine's black, and I got it off eBay. It's just like a utility belt. Army one.
Oh, I might look into that then.
Yeah, definitely need a blue strap, don't you?
There's the police.
We're allowed to do this, don't we?
Yeah. Hi, policeman.
The fuzz.
I'd lol if he put his lights on and pulled you over
He wouldn't dare.
for being a girl.
There'll be some lovely bikes down there.
What, down there?
Yeah, because it's the
What?
first one, isn't it? So I think people might make an effort.
Wait, hold on.
Out of winter.
Can you hear me still?
Yeah.
Yeah, my phone's ringing, I'm just going to ignore it.
Yeah, you know, like everybody comes out of winter. Their bikes will feel clean, shiny, and taken care of. Ooh, kind of biggie.
Yeah, all winter.
You know what? Yeah, when people don't ride over winter, this might be like the first meet. Everyone's like, oh yeah, let's drag the bike out. It's sunny and that.
Right, all polished bikes.
Yeah, so it should be. Hopefully some nice bikes.
Might actually be dead. Might be no one here. Yeah, there's no one here. Oh, there is a
Oh,
few.
there is some, yeah, alright, yeah. Not that bad. Stay up here somewhere.
Oh, right there. Right behind us there.
Right, behind, what, in a disabled spot?
No,
We could do.
it's
Park
like
on park on this double bit of yellow here.
Where?
Look at me. There.
This double bit of yellow? Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
Like,
the lady's getting... We may as well go through now.
yeah. It's Debbie Lee. Hello, Debbie.
Who's Debbie Lee?
Debbie, just a friend. Yeah, why don't we go there?
Alright, okay.
Or do you want to do it?
Alright, we'll go in and go on the left. Right behind...
Oh, for God's sake,
right next to that grey van.
You're making a fool of us.
You're making a scene! You're making a scene!
You've made a scene.
Stop making a bloody scene. Come on. Go here. Oh, the wind's nearly blowing me over!
Yeah,
Be careful!
You know what? I was just thinking that. I might put mine to the side a bit. I'm scared!
No, it won't be that powerful to blow the bloody bike over, surely.
You don't know.
Alright?
You don't know. Oh no, I don't like this one bit.
Right, I'll go and get...
I'm definitely moving it.
Yeah, I might just turn round, totally turn round. Stop making a scene.
She's making a scene. Bumhead.
Get some wind protection as well from this van.
You honestly,
You're making a
everything would have
proper
been
scene
so
now.
good, but you made such a scene.
You made an arse out of you and me. What's that
You
from? Oh, it's
actually-
Alan Partridge, isn't it?
You did that on purpose because you just want people to look at your bike.
Wait, no, hold on, it's The Office. It's not Alan Partridge. Right, I'll see you in a minute. Christ, it's cold. Okay, now.
Have you got heated grips?
Yeah, have you? You haven't, you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have. So they come as standard with that.
I reckon so. Yeah, they do, yeah. Wait, hold on a minute. Hold on to your the horses.
It's really high revving, isn't it? Like, took over.
Yeah, you know why?
Fine.
Want me to tell you?
Yeah.
'Cause it's the best bike in the world. I might have just messed that up.
Right, you go and don't stall, because, you know.
Don't stall it, Hannah.
I know, it's
Oh,
embarrassing.
the pouch is open, for fuck's sake!
Debbie!
Oh, bump.
Alright.
Bloody pouch was open, one of us.
Oh, you're
Which way are we going?
I assume, right.
To, what do you call it? Helston?
That direction.
Or Helston Way?
Yeah, just that way. Get a few miles and do a loop back on, sort of through wherever.
Yeah, okay.
Little UK sticker still on there.
Oh, I've got your bracket to give you back, which I will give it you back.
It's not mine.
Oh, is it Will's?
Yeah.
I thought he made it for you.
No, he just had it and he's made it up to something.
Well, I'll give it you back.
Are you just going to keep your UK sticker on there?
I think so, yeah. It's not doing any harm, is it? It's 20 here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go in front? Because I can't, well, I
I know they
don't,
weren't going, but...
don't need to explain that I can't see the speedo.
Oh yeah, you need to cover that up with a sticker, didn't you?
Well, I've accidentally put a sticker in front of it, so that's why I can't
Oh
see
no,
it.
you have done it already. Oh, okay.
Clutch in for the dogs.
Was that exhaust as standard, or is that a different exhaust you put on?
And this is the same exhaust that I had on my red bike. Well, the exact same exhaust. I took it off the red bike and put it onto this bike. Just slipped straight on.
What else are you going to change?
I am going to get some decal work on the very bottom fairing of the bike, and I am going to get the same yellow that's on the subframe and sticker. I'm going to get that yellow but a square across the rear wheel, just like a 3-inch square going across it.
Why?
Why not?
A square?
Yeah, just a square.
Alright, I'll see it when I see it.
You'll like it when you see it.
Hope so.
Well, like my helmet. You like my helmet, don't you?
Now it matches the bike, yeah.
Oh my, I can't. Hannah,
What?
let's just head to yours. I am fucking freezing.
Are you absolutely Baltic?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you just go home?
No,
I'll
because I
drop you-
feel bad. Wait.
No!
I thought you could go that way to yours. No?
What way? Through Leeds Town and stuff?
Yeah.
No, if you're that cold...
No, not that
Go
cold.
home.
I can't leave you. I can't just leave you stranded.
You're not! We've had a lovely coffee. We've had a nice little catch-up. For a race.
Yeah, go on then.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I want to go on that.
That was the limiter then.
Was it?
Did you see how it made me jump forward?
Oh, actually, yeah, you better not push that bike. You haven't even worn it in yet.
So which way are we going back to yours then?
No, I'll just ride home after dropping you off.
Wait,
I'm bloody cold too, I'm not worried.
the lady doesn't drop the guy off.
Well, apparently they do.
It's only dropped 3 degrees and it's... Oh, I suppose it's because I've been stood still or sat still for doing nothing for half an hour.
So how many miles have you got to do until you can sort of push it, or do you have to wait for the first service?
Well, there's a limiter at 8,000 and you can't go past it until you've had the first service, because it's
Okay.
locked at 8,000.
They tell you to behave for a while.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's I think it used to be 9,000 on the old bike, the limiter. The Connor Downs way. Or that's a bit faffing around, isn't it, for you?
Well, it's up to you, because you are the one that is cold and old.
Cold and, did you say old?
Cold and old.
Yeah. It's funny that,
You
isn't
love
it?
it. You love it. What?
It's dead funny that, isn't it?
Bike's behind us.
It's Mandans. Oh, there's loads of bikes behind us.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
Got a little convoy.
Right.
Aww. He must have recognised you, Jay.
Nah, recognise you, didn't I? Which way do you want to go home? Do you just want to go on the A30?
Can do. Yeah, I'm happy to just get home.
Well, I'll come with you to Hale roundabout then, and then that'll be E.
Oh, he is windy.
Oh Christ! Is your seat cowl loose?
Yeah.
Oh, it is loose and you know about it?
Yeah. Is it flapping around, is it?
Yeah, it's bouncing a little bit, right?
Yeah. I snapped something off of it and yeah, it's a bit loose.
I might go through Hale so it's not as cold on the way back. Well, Hannah, that was short and sweet, wasn't it?
It really was. But it was, nice to see your face and come out of winter retirement.
Yeah, I've not seen you in about 6 months. Or longer.
It's weird, isn't it? Oh! That's Rebecca.
Was it?
Yeah, not Holly. That was actually Rebecca. Oh shit, you've got to go round the roundabout, haven't you?
Yeah.
Alright, well I'll see you later.
See you later, Hannah.
Bye!
See you in a bit.
In a bit.
Oh shit, I was going to go through it. Oh, it don't matter. And that's going to be E. That's going to be the end. Alright? It's going to definitely be. Alright? Knob. Oops. Daisies. Change that. Yep, it's going to be short and sweet. I don't know if it's going to be sweet. It's just going to be a short video this week. But at least we've got to meet Hannah again. Oh, we got a flyer. It might have been the owner of this pub here, who was at the bike meet tonight, and gave everyone a flyer because they've got a bike meet there on a Wednesday, which is tomorrow. If it's windy like this, I won't be going. But it's good to know we've got a little local bike meet there, and there's plenty of parking round the back, supposedly. So we might go there at some point. Look how bright it is. It looks like a nice day, doesn't it? But it's bloody freezing. I've just thunk or something. Oh, I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered doing it. It's too much messing about. Before we go, we'll have a miles update. The miles are 165 miles. Oh, build update. That's the build update there. Actually, they were doing quite well. 165 miles. So, quick maths. I've got 796 to do before the first service. I might have overshot this. No, we haven't, because I'm elite. Ta-da! Right, okay. Oh, thank you to the members, and no sponsors this week because I've not had any sponsors sent in. But as usual, if you don't get a sponsor sent in, Boris and Victor can sponsor the video. So thank you to Boris and Victor, my cats, for sponsoring today's video and making these videos possible. See you later.